Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have the update for the EDGE browser, the weekly update. And of course, at the same time, this is a video to remind everybody that is on a Chromium-based browser, Brave, Opera, Vivaldi, and so on, to check for updates. So upper right corner, 3 horizontal dots, go into Help and Feedback and About Microsoft Edge. You will be pushed to version 137.0.3296.93. And this is a bug fix for security. It's the Chromium security updates that have been pushed to the Microsoft Edge browser. It's very important to apply them because this is your first line of defense. When you go on the web, this is the first thing that the code on the web encounters. And of course, by fixing the flaws, you are preventing any attacks, any code, or any injection of code that could actually add malware to your PC. So check it out. Check out your Chromium browsers also. Make sure that they are up to date for the, I believe, 3 high severity security flaws that was this week for Chromium. And this is, of course, something to check out from time to time. Most of the browsers actually do update on their own, and often you will check and it will already be done. But it's not a bad idea to go and manually check it from time to time, make sure that everything is all right. So check it out. Your weekly Chromium security updates for Edge and other Chromium-based browsers is now available probably everywhere. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.